Hey everyone, this is a super quick overview of what you get with the PIP blood glucose monitor kit. I've got another video that goes more in depth that you can find out all of the features, how to actually run a control test, all of that good stuff, but let's dive right in. You get the monitor, 50 test strips, 60 Lancets, 2 different sizes by the way, and a blue carry case. So here's the 2 different sizes of Lancets that you get. It does come in 3 different sizes. If you have super thick skin, you might want to go for their orange box, which is the fine, and it just goes a little bit deeper. But this one is for regular or medium thickness of skin. It does come with a super easy to read quick start guide. I also love that it's got a log book. You can log your meals and what times and what your blood sugars were. And then a more in-depth, thorough user's guide. Here's the carrying case. How cute, super portable, super easy for travel. As soon as you open it up, you've got your strips, you've got your Lancets, and you've got your monitor. It also does come, this kit, with a control solution so you can test it once a month. And of course, when you first get it, just to make sure that you're testing, that you're getting the results that you want, the correct results. Level 1 is the solution they sent and included in this kit. And you can see here, the range for level 1 control testing is 97 to 131. So it lets you know exactly what you're looking for when you run a control test. But if you're on the go, love that you've got your own Lancet carrying case. So they're not falling out when you unzip it open. Super compact and super easy to keep track of. And then of course the device, super easy. There's where you pop your strip in, and then it's a long press to turn it on and another long press to turn it off. And then once you put the strip in, you'll see a little strip signal here with a little drop of blood letting you know that you're ready to go ahead and test. And again, it's super awesome to have if you have, a health history that you want to keep track of your blood sugar. This is super easy to do. Also, great to have in a first aid kit, great to have on the go, and I would definitely recommend it. Thanks again to the folks over at PIP for letting me give this a try.